There are people from all around the world making money with this website, and today I'm going to show you a very simple strategy that you can use in order to earn hundreds of dollars on complete autopilot. If you want to know how to make it work, stay with me till the end of this video, because if you skip it, you'll get confused and you'll not get the desired results. As always, before we start, I want to remind you to drop a like to this video if you love making money online. And if you like to see more content like this one, subscribe to our channel with notifications on so you won't miss any future videos to come. With that being said, let's now jump right away into this tutorial. So before I go ahead and show you the name of the website and how to make it work and also set it up on autopilot, let's start it off with the payment proof in order for you to see that this website is legit and you'll get paid. As you can see, people from all around the world are getting paid again and again. There are people from Morocco, Venezuela, Brazil, India, Egypt, Ukraine, Russia, Kenya, Italy, and so on and so forth. And they are being paid instantly. Now, if you take a look at this, you'll see that this is not a big amount of money, like just only 40 cents, 58 cents, $1, $10, and so on and so forth. This is why you need to stick with me and keep watching this video. If you don't, you'll just be able to make a couple of dollars here and there, and it will not be a passive income either. So just be patient and follow every step. With that being said, let me show you what this website is called. This is over at volutic.com. This is a place where you can earn money by reading emails. With Volutic, you can earn money by reading emails whenever you are from your PC, tablet, or mobile phone. So, in the payment proof I showed you before, people were making money by reading emails, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. But if you want to make even more, just stay with me so you can learn another way and maximize your results. So, the first thing you need to do once you come over to volutic.com is to click on the register button in the upper right corner so you can create an account for absolutely free. And then all you need to do is to put a username, your valid email address, a password, confirm the password. You can skip the referral box and leave it blank. Then tick these two boxes in order to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then click on register so you can create your account. Before you can log in into your account, you'll need to activate your account by going over to your email address and then click on the link that volutic.com is going to send you. And then you'll be able to log in into your account. And this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Here you can track how much money you have made, and of course right now it says $0 because I just created this account for the purpose of this video. So once you have made a couple of money and you want to withdraw them, you need to click here on money and then on withdraw below. So let me explain to you how you can actually get paid with this site, and it's actually with the Volutic referral program. If you come over to their homepage and scroll down, you'll be able to see this blue box right here where it says that the minimum payout is only 20 cents, which is pretty good since you don't have to reach a lot of dollars in order to request your payment. Another important thing here is that they pay you $1 for every referral when your referral earns $1. And if you can find people that want to make money online and refer them to Volutic, they will start making money reading emails till they earn some decent amounts of cash. For example, if you refer 100 people to here, you'll make $100. 1,000 of people is $1,000, so it has a lot of potential to earn money passively. But what's even better is that if someone that you refer here earn $15, you will also earn $50, so you won't get paid only $1 per person referred. And I'm going to show you where you can find people to refer through your referral link so you can make a lot of money in passive income. But before that, you need to know where to get your referral link. And your referral link is located on your dashboard right up here, and whenever signs up through your referral link and earns money, you'll earn as well passively. What I recommend you do is to shorten your link with an URL shorten tool like bit.ly.com. The reason you want to do this is because if you're giving out your link as it is right now, it will be very obvious to people that you're promoting Volutic and you can get less clicks than otherwise. Even though this is just an optional step, it will allow you to earn more money. In case you do want to shorten it, what you'll need to do is to copy your special link right here and then you have to come over to bit.ly.com and paste the link right here in this box. After that, click on shorten and you'll get your shorten link right here. So just copy it, and with that done, it's time to show you a site where you can get traffic so you can combine this website with Volutic and maximize your earnings. The website in question is called Tendry.com. This is a money-making forum where people come to discuss related to different topics such like make money, affiliate programs, survey, forex, review, buy, sell, and trade. And they are all getting a lot of views and engagement. For example, the first one has got 1.2 million of views. This one has got more than 120,000 of views, and so on and so forth. So this is the best place to promote Volutic.com. And on this platform you have thousands upon thousands of people who all want to make money online and discuss about it all the time. So they will be interested in Volutic and will want to give it a try and thus make you money in passive income. So what you need to do once you come over here is to create an account for absolutely free by clicking here on the register button in the upper right corner. After that, you'll need to put a username, an email address, a password, your date of birth, your location, where you're from, and then you have to verify that you're not a robot by completing this captcha right here. You have to agree to the terms and privacy policy and then click on register. Once you created your account, this is how it's going to look like, and you need to select one of these categories that I showed you before. What I recommend you open are the making money online and also the affiliate program categories, since they are related to the website that we are promoting today, and also they have a lot of engagement, which is a plus for us. Then all you need to do is to click on one of these, and then you just need to click on post thread so you can share your referral link. Now what you're going to write in here, guys, is up to you, but in order to get more clicks, what I suggest you do is to write on the title something like earn $150 receiving emails for free. This free will grab people's attention, and what you can write in the actual thread is something along the lines of I'm looking for people interested in making money online. Only the first ones can get the spot. If interest, reply to this post. Now the reason you are not telling them the name of the website and its features is because people will realize you are promoting something. You can of course do that if you want to, but you'll not get the many clicks. But if you say something like only the first one or the first 20 people can get the spot, it will create an urgency for them to take action first and sign up through your referral link. And if they reply to your post, just give them your referral link. They'll sign up and start making money, and you'll get paid as well in passive income. I really hope you liked today's strategy, and if you did, make sure to give a like to this video and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Thank you for watching and see you soon.